Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to open up these house cleaning gloves with you that comes in blue and pink, almost like for him and for her. And yes guys, if you do want to have a little bit more of them, more prominent solution, something a little bit more durable, you can see that these are actually quite ribbed as well, right? So you can see this very cool texture right here. And what I absolutely love inside, they are almost plush like. Again, it's not a powder, it is actually plush like material, so you have all the comfort in the world, which is much needed when you are doing your chores, and you still can use your phone. Absolutely love these. And again, they actually are coordinated by the hand, so this is the right and this is the left.